How critical is sustainable development and biodiversity to our planet and our survival? This is the pivotal question we find ourselves asking. Sustainable development, the process of meeting our current needs without compromising the future, and biodiversity, the variety of life on Earth, play integral roles in maintaining life as we know it. Our actions, our choices, directly impact the health of our terrestrial ecosystems. In a world facing unprecedented environmental changes, the sustainability of our terrestrial ecosystems and biodiversity could not be more important. Our terrestrial ecosystems harbor the majority of Earth's biodiversity, yet these systems are under threat. Our planet's rich tapestry of life, woven over billions of years, is being undone at an alarming rate. Every year we lose an area of forest equivalent to the size of England. Alongside this, land degradation affects nearly 1/5 of the Earth's land area, threatening the livelihoods of billions and exacerbating climate change. Biodiversity, the very lifeblood of our ecosystems, is also in crisis. An estimated 1 million species face extinction, many within decades, a rate tens to hundreds of times higher than the average over the past 10 million years. This loss of biodiversity isn't just a blow to nature, it's a blow to us. It undermines the web of life we all depend on for clean air, water, food, and even climate stability. These figures are a stark reminder of the urgency and importance of Sustainable Development Goal 15. So, what can we do to protect, restore, and promote sustainable use of terrestrial ecosystems and halt biodiversity loss? We can start by recognizing that every action counts, no matter how small. Planting trees, reducing our carbon footprint, and supporting businesses that prioritize sustainability are steps we can all take. Communities can rally together to clean up local habitats and create green spaces, fostering a love for nature in younger generations. On a larger scale, policymakers have the power to implement sustainable forest management practices. This means taking measures to ensure our forests are used in a way that benefits us now, without compromising their ability to serve future generations. It's about creating a balance between meeting our needs and preserving these vital ecosystems. Another major issue is desertification, the process where fertile land becomes desert. By investing in land restoration projects and promoting sustainable land use, we can combat desertification, help reverse land degradation, and preserve our precious biodiversity. Remember, everyone has a role to play in achieving these goals. Whether you're an individual planting a tree, a community starting a local cleanup initiative, or a policymaker pushing for sustainable practices, your actions matter. The future of our planet depends on our actions today. It's time to prioritize sustainable development and biodiversity for a healthier, greener, and more prosperous world.